Naviance, and exploring careers using the Career tab. Now that you have logged on to Naviance, you can start using its many features. From the home page, go to the top where you see the tabs. We will be specifically looking at the Careers tab. If you click on the Careers tab, a pop-out will occur and you can see some easy to access information. We will be going to the Careers home page. Here you can see two items where you can do specific exploration. There is a career cluster finder and a career interest profiler. The career cluster finder allows you to find specific career clusters based on answers that you give. You will answer questions about activities, personal qualities, and school subjects. At the end, you will get 3 specific career clusters based on the answers you have given. Let's get started. Once you click Start, you will begin the activities checklist. There are 6 pages of activities that you can go through. You will just click the answers that make the most sense for your personality. Once at the bottom, click Continue, and it will bring you to the next page. Once you have completed the 6 pages of activities, you will move on to the personal qualities checklist. These are qualities that you feel you possess. You will do the same as before with the activities and just put check marks next to the ones that make sense for you. The last step is filling out school subjects that you are interested in. There are 3 pages that you can click through. You are going to look at all of these subjects and put check marks next to the ones that you feel you have an interest in or that you might have a talent in, and you will click Continue. The last step in the Career Cluster Finder is to click on Results. You can see here that the top results are Government and Public Administration, Manufacturing, and Marketing. These clusters are all based on the answers that you have given. You can also scroll down and see some of the other clusters that are available to you and the percentages of how many questions or personality traits you might have within those particular clusters. So what can you do with this information now that you have it? You can actually explore each one of these individual clusters to find out if any of them are within your top interest. We will look at Government and Public Administration. By clicking on that link, it gives us an overview of Government and Public Administration. You can scroll down and find out more information, such as a plan of study. This plan of study allows you to look at classes for high school or the college level that you can take to get you on this pathway for Government and Public Administration. You can also scroll down even further, look at related occupations as well as related majors. The related majors is very interesting because these are majors that you can actually do while in college to support this particular interest. If you scroll all the way back up, you can add Government and Public Administration as a favorite, and it will be saved underneath your Career tab. The Career Interest Profiler is a similar feature, however, it is a bit longer than the Career Cluster Finder. In this particular profiler, you will answer 180 questions about the type of work that you might like to do, such as, would you like to operate a machine on a production line? You would like to do that, you're not sure if you would like to do that, or you would absolutely dislike doing that. You will answer similar questions along the way, equaling 180 total questions. Once you have completed that, you will view results about the type of work that you like to do and what possible careers could fit those interests. Once you have completed the Career Cluster Finder and the Career Interest Profiler, you will certainly have a lot of information to research. You can also go back to the Careers homepage and research any individual career, such as teacher. As we search teacher, over on the right-hand side, different types of teachers are going to pop up. We are going to look at a career technical education teacher in the middle school setting. You can scroll down, see related majors as well as related occupations with this particular middle school teacher. You can also scroll here across the top and look at the knowledge and skills that are necessary to become a middle school teacher, what daily tasks and activities you might be involved in as a middle school teacher, and what wages a middle school teacher makes. You will see here that there is a national average as well as a state average. Since we live in California, that is the state that is being highlighted here. I have decided that this is a favorite career of mine. By clicking this favorite, it will now be linked to my favorites tab. If I go back up to the careers and I look at careers I'm thinking about, you will see that our government and public administration from earlier is listed here, as well as career technical education teacher in middle school that I just clicked as a favorite. This has been a small overview of what you can do within the Careers tab in Naviance. We hope that you continue to explore and look up and research many careers. If you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to talk to your counselor, Ms. Lang in the counseling office, or Ms. Peters in the College and Career Center.